Meesho started about 6 years ago. It's grown to be the largest setup in the country. We have 20 million plus transactors today with us on a monthly basis.
Meesho is a very unique kind of social commerce company. When e-commerce traditionally came to India a few years back, we saw that it was limited to a very small size of the population. There were 500 million people active on the internet, but less than 1/4 of them were using any sort of internet commerce.
We actually started Slack when there was a real felt need for it.
Before Slack, Meesho used to operate on WhatsApp, emails, and Hangout chats. It was a chaotic world with a lot of notifications, a lot of noise. Team members used to say that communication is getting intrusive and probably just spilling over to private life. Once we moved to Slack, which was post-COVID and in the work from home era, we realized we were able to streamline a lot, right? So the noise to signal ratio improved. We were able to get notifications on things that mattered. Sharing of documents became very easy. And today teams are so fluent and operating so fast on Slack that we're probably using almost everything that Slack has to offer to get more and more productive as a team.
Providing world-class customer experience basically boils down to solving a customer query in the fastest possible manner, right? Earlier, before Slack, the support team would send an email probably periodically to many different teams. Some of them would sort of get lost, not get resolved, etc. And now because of Slack, everything just happens on one channel. And something that used to take us probably a couple of days to resolve is now resolved in only a matter of hours.
My team will start to get people onboarded a little bit earlier on certain Slack channels before they have sort of actually joined Meesho. This will be more dedicated towards creating an experience before joining and towards onboarding them, getting them inducted into the company a little bit ahead of time. So that's a work in progress for now. There are multiple integrations that are there. I will talk specifically about a very nice initiative that has happened recently at Meesho. This is a bot called MeBot, which is actually a specific AI tool that helps people answer daily HR related questions. It's absolutely integrated on Slack. It's just a specific channel where you ask the question and you get a response.
We have integrations for tech alerts if anything goes wrong. We have integrations with workflow tools like Jira, Asana, etc. We have a custom integration which updates us whenever our Play Store rollout increases to more set of users. We have an integration with Play Store reviews so that everyone in the company can read the Play Store reviews that we are getting. We have integrations with different polls software for running polls within the company.
If there are tools which can directly be integrated with Slack, it sort of makes a very seamless experience for the employee. And that way, the integrations of Slack are extremely important. Slack is the primary way in which the individual gets to experience and talk to the team and experience and talk to the organization.
It is our digital HQ. When the entire world moved to their homes in COVID, it was very hard to replicate the same culture or same environment we used to have in office.
It is all the more important for us to make sure that the employees feel a part of the company. They get the vibe of the culture that the organization.
And now because of Slack, I think we have reached the closest that we possibly could in a remote environment. And that definitely has a huge impact on team productivity. I honestly can't think of any other tool than Slack that solves for that integrated communication experience as well.